In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Devant TV not turning on. So let's get started. Now, if it's not turning on, then these are the steps you have to try, okay? The first step is to check power basics. So make sure the power cable is firmly plugged into both the TV and the wall socket. Then you could also try a different wall outlet, and if using an extension or power strip, plug directly in the wall, because sometimes it could be that with the extension it might be getting less electricity than needed. Yeah, then the next thing is to look for standby light. Now if there is no light at all, then there's likely a power supply issue, and if there is red light on but no picture, then TV is getting power, but problem may be software or screen. Okay, then we have power reset, and this is very important. Okay, so you unplug the TV from the wall, then you press and hold the TV power button. Okay, and this should be on the TV, not the remote. Okay, so the power button on the TV for 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, then you have to leave the TV unplugged for 10 minutes and then plug it back in and then try turning it on. This should reset your TV and hopefully it turns on after this. Okay, then we have test without remote. So use the physical power button on the TV. If it turns on, then it's a remote problem. So you can replace remote batteries or try a universal remote or mobile remote app toggle between HDMI inputs. Okay, or you could shine a flashlight close to the screen. Okay, and if you see a faint image, then it's a backlight failure. Okay, so this means you have to repair your screen. Okay, so yeah, then we have disconnect everything. Okay, so unplug all HDMI or USB devices, then try turning the TV on with nothing connected. Then let's say there is sound but no picture. This usually means that LED backlight is dead, and it's a common issue which needs repair. Now if none of these things work, then the likely causes are that there could be a faulty power board, burned capacitors, or main board failure. At this point, the TV needs a technician repair. If it's under warranty, contact Devant Service Center and you can probably replace it, or they're going to repair this TV for you. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.